Stuck everyone. Cleanse now. Good. Everyone go to the circle. Go to the circle, everyone. Go to the circle. Silence now. Silence. Silence on ground. Calming, calming. Reset, 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 reset. Always do you see the red bar of tank below the boss? There's a red bar below the boss. Once it reaches 75% charge, you can drop your silence on the ground.
Observe it, bro.
You can just see the skill on the boss. Okay, everyone stuck. Stuck guys, stuck on the ground. Baka ito pa yung mas matagal ipatayin kaysa sa ibang boss. Tapos ito yung pinakamadaling patayin.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite natin
Cleanse
eh.
now. Guys, stay here. Follow me. Silence now. Reset, 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 reset.
Bro, once you hear silent now, drop your silent.
If you want to know when to drop silence, you can just check on the boss, check the
Like
red
that, bro,
bar
like that.
below the boss. The akin pa reset akin. Once you see the red bar below the boss, when it reaches 75%, drop your silence. Either both silence you can use Hellion Hood or your Q. Incubus. Okay guys, stuck everyone. Duran.
Nag-reply lang.
Sige, sige. Cleanse na. Very good. Everyone, follow me, follow me.
Ako nga dito, ang saya ko dito.
Silence now. Silence na the no, not the boss. Not the boss.
The summon, bro. The summon.
No
Not
need
the boss.
don't hit the boss. No need to kill the no need to hit the boss. Only the summon.
Manood ako.
Just silence
You
the
see the circle
circle.
circle on the ground. Just stay there, then drop your silence on the circle. You see this circle, bro? We need to stay on this circle. I
Like
don't
this.
know why, but you need to stay on that circle. Everyone stuck, guys, stuck. Just silent on the middle. Yeah, silence on the middle. Stuck, everyone.
Silence inside the circle.
Cleanse now. Okay, everyone, come here. Silence now.
Drop now.
I'm gonna stun. Full damage, guys. Reset. Late yung silence niya. Lididoran, ikaw na lang siguro mag-silence pre, kaya mo.
Pwede, pwede, pwede.
Ketsuki.
Ano tawag yan? Nightmare, can you swap Nightmare to Fallen? Can you swap to Fallen Nightmare?
Nakaswap na siya, boss.
Okay, sige. Ikaw na cleanse. Sige. Okay lang. Everyone stuck everyone. Uh, Ready, cleanse. Cleanse now. Behind the boss. Silence now. I'm gonna stun full damage, guys. Silence and people. Okay, stay there. Silence the boss. Okay. Don't silence na. Huwag na mag-silence. Don't hit the boss. Be ready, silence on the ground. Silence now. I'm gonna stun full damage, guys. Reset.
Buhay.
Di umabot yung damage niya.
Napuno ulit yung buhay. Parang humirap ng boss ha. Hindi pinakamadali eh.
Yeah. Sige lang. Practice. Guys, stack everyone. At least nakaya. Food up guys. Food up. Last food na tayo. Sana makaabot sa last boss. Need to coordinate. I'm gonna pull the boss. Ready silence. Cleanse now. Everyone stay here.
Wala, hindi ko napansin.
Silence now. I'm gonna stun. Full damage guys. Keep dropping jacket guys. Okay, enfeeble the boss. Then silence. No need to silence the boss. Okay, silence now. Full damage guys. Yan. Okay, everyone go to the circle guys. Everyone follow me. Silence enfeeble the boss. Keep silencing the boss. Keep silencing the boss. Okay, wag na mag-silence. No need to silence. Everyone stay on the circle, guys. Ready silence on the ground. Silence now. Full damage, guys.
Wala ako dalang boss eh.
Okay, 8M. Naka 8M na tayo ngayon. Wala pang boss.
My
8M na ba
God.
or may mga loots pa ba? Okay, let's start. I'm gonna pull the boss na. Everyone stuck everyone. Full damage now. Follow guys, follow near the boss.
Formation.
Diamond formation near the boss. Guys, near
Balik,
the boss,
balik,
guys,
balik.
near the boss, beside the boss. Southeast. Beside the boss, diamond formation, please.
Okay.
Just
Doon
to the
lang,
diamond
pwede. Balik
formation.
lang doon sa pwede. Sa pwesto mo pwede. Sa kanina. Dikit ka pa konti.
Doran, drop your, ano tawag yan? Drop your E lang, Doran.
Huwag na kayo mag-dodge. Hindi kayo
Just
makabot yan.
diamond formation, guys. Just diamond formation. I'm gonna drop my E.
Hindi, huwag ka na malo. Yung may jacket. Paka-spam ng jacket. Thank you.
Off na. Wag na mag-drop E, pre.
Copy.
Malapit na to mag-explosion. Mag-second phase. Full defensive now. Yan. Okay, give me the buff. Please, quick. Thank you. Then go back. Give me the buff.
Feather,
Feather.
taka kayo sword. Kay bastard. Feather.
Wag na lang.
Dadali mo kay bastard dyan, Feather. Yung buff niya.
Full defensive now. Give me the buff. Behind the boss. Diamond formation, guys. Make sure diamond formation kayo. Okay, give me the buff, Zephyr. Thank you. Okay, go back, go back, go back. Be ready, full defensive. Full defensive now.
Nice,
Nice.
isang kuha lang. Yun yung pinakamasarap na boss eh.
Basic.
My
Basic.
God.
2M ulit.
Okay, 12M na tayo. Ano, 10M? 12? 10M, sorry.
Marami pang loot, sir. Marami pa.
Sige,
Tayo
sige.
ba?
Lot niya lang, lot niya lang.
101 na ako.
Stuck on the shield.
Spam E ka lang muna, pre, spam E. Then, sa second phase, pag after ng pick up, huwag ka na mag-spam E.
Sa jacket. Available. Jacket. Alternate kayo para ano?
Alternate sayang.
maximize.
Ay, shit. Fire heal. Nice.
Okay,
Dodge.
Dodge. Pinay, Dodge. Pinay.
Revive,
Huwag
Pinay,
nyo
revive,
na
Pinay.
i-testing yung bug. Huwag nyo na i-testing yung bug.
No bugs, guys. No bugs, please. Rat color swap na. Rat color swap. Dodge, guys. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Rat color swap. Shit, nakatingin talaga ako sa... Thank you. Dodge.
Tik na kayo.
Shit, di ko nakita.
Dodge, guys.
Rat color. Call rat color if nakaswap na. Full damage, guys. Full damage. Dodge. Pinay, wag ka dyan. If mag-drop E ka, Lady Doran, wag ka lumapit sa boss, bali sa gilid ka. Gumilid ka lang para
Dodge.
mag-drop ng sword or slash yung boss. At least sa'yo lang yung skill.
Copy.
Slow hit, guys. Nakapalit na ba yung Shadow Caller?
Pwede na daw ba?
Okay. Okay, full damage, full damage. Wag na mag-spam E, ha. Wag na mag-spam E. Okay, ready. Ishpikat. Ishpikat now. Now. Nice. Okay.
Ulit ka ba ulit?
Heal, please. No need full defensive. I didn't call full defensive. I need heal, please.
Dami pa yan.
Okay, full defensive now. Full defensive on the boss. Heal me, please. Heal me, healer. Thank you. Healer. Avoid. Heal me, please. Thank you. Healer, come to me. Full defensive now.
Talk to mo.
Okay, go back na.
Dodge.
Si Buddy. Nililaser ako.
Dodge ulit.
Okay,
Oh my God.
ready full defensive. Healer, come to me. Full defensive now.
Ay, wait. Na-down ako.
Any deal? Thank you. Thank you. Dodge, guys. Dodge. Ba't nasa inyo yung aggro? Revive healer. Revive me healer.
Revive Pinay. Dodge.
Dodge roll.
Okay, ready full defensive. Min healer, come to me.
Okay, wag hit pag ganun mga ka.
Healer, 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 healer. Thank you.
Okay. Guys,
Dodge, guys, dodge, dodge. Okay, be ready full defensive.
pa-jacket, 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 pa-jacket.
Healer, come to me.
Wala-
Healer, come to
Wala
me,
akong
please.
payball. 3 seconds in payball.
Thank you.
Dodge.
Heal me, please. Heal me, heal me, heal me. Thank you. Okay, maximum range, guys. Maximum range, please.
Malapit na kayo.
Okay, be ready full defensive.
Jacket.
Don't hit, don't hit,
Jacket.
don't hit. Pag ganun.
Pa-jacket. Pa-jacket. Yung
Ay.
agro na natin.
Ba't na pinch aggro? Heal the choke. Heal the choke, please. Dodge, guys, dodge. Revive,
Dalawa.
revive the down people. Don't hit, don't hit, don't hit. Healer, come to me. Ba't nasa inyo yung choke? No? Sorry.
Nice.
Blue na naman. Okay. Wait, don't open, don't open, don't open. Let me loot the chest, loot. Let me loot the chest, boys. Ako na naman mag-loot para may slot pa kayo.
Sabaw, sabaw.
Sabaw, sabaw. O, 2M. So, 12M total. 12M total. Loot everything, guys. Loot everything. Then, our back later. Wait for the call sa... Ba't nag-di-aggro? What the fuck?
Meron pa.
Scout? Ready, scout?
Meron pang ano, natira.
Mapa. Yung mga mapa.